In this video, I'll show you some creative and unique hacks and ideas. Remove the pen cap, take out the ink cartridge, and carefully remove the nib from it. Now, take a syringe, remove its needle, cut the top cover of the syringe, and insert the nib into the top. Remove the back cover of the syringe, fill ink into another one, and transfer it into the first syringe. After filling the syringe with ink, put the back cover back on, and just like that, the project is complete. Now, it's time to test it. This idea really worked. Remove the retractable button from the ball pen, then take out the ink cartridge and cut the barrel in the middle. After cutting the barrel, insert the ink cartridge into the half of the barrel and then cut it to match the size. First, remove the eraser from the back side of the pencil. Then, carefully trim the area with a cutter. After that, apply glue to the trimmed section and attach the pencil to the ball pen. After fixing the pencil into the ball pen, sharpen it using a pencil sharpener. Now, your custom ball pen with a sharpened pencil is ready to use. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing life hacks and creative ideas. Take a plastic pipe, mark it with a marker, and then cut it from the marked spot. After cutting the pipe, rub it on sandpaper to smooth out the edges. Now, place a scale on the pipe, draw a line with a marker, and then cut along the line using scissors. After cutting the pipe, use a heat gun to apply heat and straighten it. Now, draw a line on the straightened pipe and cut along the line. After cutting the pipe, mark circular points with a marker and make holes using an iron soldering tool. Take a plastic bottle cap, mark a circle on it with a marker and cut it using a cutter. Then, make a small hole on the side of the cap using an iron soldering tool. Now, use a rivet pin to fix both the pipe and the bottle cap together. Once fixed, make sure the connection is tight and secure for proper functionality. Now, apply glue to the tool and attach it in place, then hang the tools inside it. Once everything is in place, your custom tool organizer is ready for use. Enjoy the convenience of having all your tools neatly organized and ready to use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY projects.